Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and we wanted to make something to celebrate the occasion. So we made this floral heart out of t-shirts and foam board. And the total cost of making it was just around $3. Isn't that awesome? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs.
Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
To make the floral heart, you will need fabric to make the flowers. We used 2 t-shirts we got at the dollar store, foam board or corrugated cardboard, a box cutter, a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, scissors, some scrap paper, we used notebook paper, and a cutting board to protect your work surface. We started by taking some scrap paper and cutting it into a heart shape. This will serve as our stencil. Then we traced the heart onto some foam board. Before cutting out the heart shape, we slid the cutting mat underneath the foam board to protect our surface. Then we cut the heart shape out. We also cut a smaller heart and a diamond in the center, but it didn't really make a difference on the outcome. We also cut a small circle out of the notebook paper to use as a stencil while cutting our t-shirts. We don't know why we tried using regular scissors because you definitely need a good fabric scissors for this. Each circle of fabric will create a small flower. This is what 6 of them together look like. And yes, it did take us an eternity to cut all these circles. These are all the circles we got out of cutting 2 t-shirts. We used 3 methods to making these flowers. The first one is simple. Take a circle, then fold it in half. Apply a dab of glue in the center and fold it in half again. The second method is to fold the circle in half, then fold that into thirds, and apply the hot glue into the creases. The third method we used was to apply a dab of hot glue in the center of the circle and then just scrunch up the fabric. This was by far the easiest method we tried. After we finished making all our flowers, we piled them onto the heart and moved them around to see if they covered all the white spaces. If they don't, you could always cut the heart smaller or make some more flowers. We started by gluing the flowers around the edge of the heart. The edges are the most important part because they can be seen from any angle, so you definitely want to make sure there's no white spaces. After we got around the edge, we started placing flowers randomly within the heart. If you start by placing all the flowers on one side and squishing them up to fill up all the white spaces to begin with, you might run out and have to make more. If you just place them randomly and then come back to fill up the white spaces, it's less likely that you'll run out of flowers. We added more flowers where the foam board was still visible. Since you don't want to be able to see the foam board when you hang the heart up, we folded over the sides of the flowers and hot glued them in place. Since we didn't want to waste any of the fabric from the t-shirt, we used the collar and hot glued it onto the back so that we could use it to hang the heart up. There were a few white spots that we needed to cover up, so we moved around a few flowers or added new ones. And this is how our floral heart turned out.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!